Hello and welcome back to Motor World USA. Today we're diving deep into one of the most capable and hard-working full-size vans on the market, the 2026 GMC Savana 2500. If you're considering a serious work van, a platform for conversion, a people mover, or just a rugged vehicle that doesn't quit, stay tuned because we're going to cover everything from performance and design to interior features, safety, pricing, and real-world applications. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete picture of what the 2026 Savana 2500 brings to the table and whether it's the right choice for your needs. This is Motor World USA, where we bring you the latest in cars, vans, trucks, and everything automotive in America. Let's start by talking about what makes the Savana 2500 unique in a crowded van market. GMC has a long history of building strong, reliable full-size vans, and the 2026 model year continues that tradition. The Savana is built on a body-on-frame chassis, the same kind of rugged architecture you find in heavy-duty pickup trucks. This gives the van excellent durability, easy servicing, and a platform that can handle tough jobs day in and day out. It's designed to withstand harsh conditions and long hours on the road, which is why it remains a favorite among businesses and fleet operators. The 2500 designation places this van in the medium-duty category. It's heavier and stronger than the 1500 series, but not quite as heavy as the 3500. This middle ground makes it a great all-around choice for businesses that need solid payload capacity without jumping into the highest gross vehicle weights. In simple terms, the 2500 is just right for most commercial applications. It's strong enough to carry heavy loads, but it's still manageable to drive and park, which is something drivers really appreciate. Under the hood, the 2026 Savana 2500 offers a dependable engine lineup that prioritizes torque and reliability. The standard powertrain is a 4.3-liter V6 gasoline engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This combination delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency while giving you plenty of low-end torque for hauling and towing. For many drivers, the V6's output of around 276 horsepower and nearly 300 pound-feet of torque is more than enough, whether you're loaded up with cargo or cruising down the highway with passengers. For those who need extra power, GMC traditionally offers optional version 8 engines on the Savana platform. These are especially available in specific trims or configurations, providing extra power and towing capacity for heavier loads. This flexibility makes the 2500 series adaptable for a wide range of tasks, whether it's hauling construction materials, delivering large packages, or towing trailers for recreational purposes. It's a van that can grow with your business needs. Speaking of towing, the 2026 Savana 2500 doesn't disappoint. With the right equipment, it can tow up to approximately 7,400 pounds. That's seriously useful for work trailers, landscape equipment, or even hauling recreational toys like ATVs, snowmobiles, or dirt bikes. Payload capacity is equally impressive, with a weight-carrying ability that depends on the configuration you choose. This makes the Savana 2500 a versatile choice for contractors, delivery services, shuttle operators, and more. Now let's talk about exterior design. The 2026 Savana 2500 maintains the classic, functional van aesthetic that has defined this vehicle for decades. There are no flashy curves or gimmicks. This is a tool built for purpose. The shape is boxy and straightforward, maximizing cargo volume and allowing for easy upfits and customizations. Whether you're installing shelving, racks, toolboxes, or converting the interior into a camper, the Savana's simple design gives you a blank slate to work with. At the front, you'll find the familiar GMC grille, flanked by sizable headlights that provide good visibility at night or in poor weather conditions. The bumper is sturdy and designed to withstand the knocks and bumps that work vans often endure. Step-in access is easy on both sides with large door openings, and if you choose the extended wheelbase version, you'll have even more room to work with inside. This is particularly useful for tradespeople who need to load and unload equipment frequently throughout the day. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2026 Savana 2500 is built with practicality and durability in mind. The seats are supportive and rugged, wrapped in materials that are easy to clean after a long day on the job. GMC didn't focus on luxury here. Instead, they focused on functionality. Storage compartments are plentiful, including large indoor pockets, overhead bins, and strategically placed cup holders. Everything is designed to be within easy reach, so drivers can stay organized and focused while on the road. One of the standout features of the Savana cab is visibility. The upright seating position and large windows give you a commanding view of the road, which is especially helpful when maneuvering a long van through tight city streets or busy job sites. The dashboard layout is simple and intuitive, with knobs and buttons that are easy to operate even with gloves on. This focus on practicality over flash makes the van user-friendly for drivers who spend long hours behind the wheel. Standard tech features include a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone integration, Bluetooth connectivity, and available navigation. While it's not the most advanced system you'll find in a modern passenger car, it gets the job done and keeps you connected on the road. Optional upgrades might include better audio systems or additional connectivity features, depending on the trim level. This makes the Savana 2500 a capable vehicle not only for work but also for long trips where communication and navigation are essential. One of the biggest advantages of the Savana 2500 is the interior space. In cargo van form, you get an expansive, open area that can be customized to suit a wide array of uses. With a high roof option, you can even stand up inside the van, making it ideal for mobile workshops, service vehicles, or camper conversions. The flat floor and square walls make it easy to install shelving, tie-downs, and other storage solutions without awkward gaps or wasted space. This is something that contractors, mobile businesses, and van life enthusiasts appreciate. If you opt for the passenger van version, the Savana 2500 can seat up to 12 or 15 people, depending on configuration. That makes it a solid choice for shuttle companies, churches, schools, or large families that need to transport groups comfortably. The passenger version still retains plenty of cargo room for luggage or gear, making it versatile for both work and travel. In short, it's a van that can serve multiple purposes without sacrificing functionality. Let's discuss safety and driver assistance features. While the Savana 2500 prioritizes function over fancy tech, GMC has equipped it with essential safety systems to give drivers confidence. Standard features include a rear-view camera, which is critical when backing up a van of this size. Available options may include rear parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert. These systems help reduce blind spots and offer extra awareness when driving in traffic or backing into tight spaces. Of course, safety in a van also comes down to build quality and handling. The Savana's robust frame and suspension are designed to handle heavy loads. Without sacrificing control, the steering is direct, and the braking system is tuned to bring the vehicle to a stop reliably, even when fully loaded. This focus on durability ensures that the Savana 2500 performs safely under real-world conditions, whether you're driving on highways, city streets, or rugged job sites. Now, let's get into cost. The starting price of a 2026 GMC Savana 2500 varies depending on whether you choose a cargo van, passenger van, or a specialized work vehicle. Generally, the base cargo van starts in a competitive range for full-size commercial vans, making it a strong value when you consider its durability and capability. Passenger versions, with more seating and additional features, command a higher price. But across the board, the Savana 2500 holds up well against competitors like the Ford Transit, Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and Ram ProMaster. Keep in mind that actual prices can vary widely based on options, upfits, and regional market differences. For commercial buyers, leasing, financing, and fleet incentives may also play a role in your total cost. If you're building a business around your vehicle, it's worth talking to dealers about packages that suit your specific industry needs. In addition, because of the van's mechanical simplicity and durable design, maintenance and repair costs are generally predictable, which is a huge advantage for commercial operators. Let's pause and talk about real-world use cases. For small businesses, the Savana 2500 is a workhorse. Electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians, and delivery companies will appreciate the cargo volume and payload capacity. Upfitters can install custom shelving, tool storage, ladder racks, and other accessories that transform this van into a mobile base of operations. For adventure seekers and van lifers, the Savana's straightforward interior and strong engine make it a popular platform for camper conversions. You can install a bed, kitchen, storage, and all the amenities you need for road trips or full-time van life. The high roof option is particularly appealing for those who want extra standing room and comfort on the inside. For shuttle services and group transportation, the passenger version offers a reliable way to move people in comfort. The Savana's large windows give passengers good visibility, while the rugged build ensures it stands up to daily use over many years. The van's versatility is unmatched. It can function as a commercial tool during the week and a recreational vehicle on the weekend. This adaptability is one of the reasons the Savana 2500 has remained a popular choice for decades. So, who should consider the 2026 GMC Savana 2500? If you need a dependable, no-nonsense van that can handle serious work in tough conditions, this is a vehicle worth your attention. It's not flashy, and it doesn't have every high-tech feature found in some competitors, but what it does offer is strength, simplicity, and versatility, the kind of traits that matter most when your business depends on your vehicle. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key points. The 2026 GMC Savana 2500 is built on a rugged body-on-frame chassis, giving it durability and strength. Its engine options deliver reliable power and torque for hauling and towing. The interior is functional and adaptable, with plenty of space for cargo, passengers, or custom builds. Safety features cover essential needs, and pricing remains competitive in the commercial van segment. Most importantly, the Savana 2500 is a tool you can depend on, day after day, mile after mile. And that's a wrap for our comprehensive look at the 2026 GMC Savana 2500. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Motor World USA, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an in-depth review like this. Have questions about the Savana 2500, or want us to compare it to another van? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.